Hi there, I'm Wes from the Gourmet Gambit, and today we're going to make a delicious matcha crab claws cocktail. And this is a cocktail with some beautiful exotic flavors. We're also going to do some beautiful plating to give it an outstanding look on your holiday dinner table. Let's have a look on what we need for ingredients. We got of course our crab claws, we got our matcha tea powder, 100% pure. We're going to use some good quality sea salt, also what we call fleur de sel or flower of salt. We got 2 different spices, passion berries, also called ruta berries. They have a flavor profile that comes very close to passion fruit. Melegueta pepper, or also called grains of paradise. It's a fake pepper with a nice citrusy background note. This spice was very popular in the Middle Ages. We also need a small cucumber. We got some carrots with different colors, 1 avocado, a lime, a mango. You want them ripe but not too soft. And we got some fresh cilantro. We also got a Greek yogurt, and we're going to use a few drops of alcohol. I'm going to use Calvados from Normandy in France, but if you can't find it, you can use cognac or even a sweet Porto wine. So first we're going to get all the crab meat out of the shell. You can use some of the claws for the plating if you like. Okay, we're going to grind our spices, the passion berries, the melegueta pepper, and this just smells amazing. The Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon of matcha powder, you can always add more afterwards. 3/4 of a teaspoon of our spices, same thing, you can always add more once you taste it. A pinch of sea salt, a few drops of lime, not too much, and a few drops of our Calvados. We're going to give this a good mix. Time to prepare our carrots. We're going to cut them into julienne. Just add a little pinch of salt. And we're going to keep it in the fridge for half an hour. We're going to cut a thin slice of the mango. And we got the skin off. And we're going to preserve them in the fridge as well. We're going to prepare the crab cocktail. One thing you have to know is that the yogurt and the lime gives quite a tangy sauce, so you don't want to overdo it with the sauce, because the big star of the recipe is the crab. If you don't like yogurt at all, you're better off using mayonnaise. Mix it up gently. You don't want to crush all the crab meats. That is really good enough for me. We just want to use a few leaves of coriander. Now we're going to start the plating. Take a sheet of paper and put it on 1/2 of the plate, the matcha powder. Take the sheet off. The slice of mango. Cut the slices with the butter knife. Add a few cilantro leaves. And then we're going to add our crab. We're going to make a little bowl of mango. And maybe put some crab claws there. Maybe a little bit more crab here. And here you have it. Matcha crab claws cocktail with mango. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.